bagong Pilipinas. I could cite a list of qualities a police officer must possess, but allow me to share three main attitudes that, based on what I've learned in the training center, are essential. It is important that we as police officers are God-fearing people. A God-centered police officer is free from temptation,
are guided in our work with the core values of servanthood, excellence, responsibility with accountability, valuing people, and respect for human rights, integrity, courage, and empowerment. Thus, we believe in team spirit, organizational unity and excellence to achieve public safety objectives for the benefit of the community and for the greater good of the country. So help me God.
Last na, pwede na silang umuwi. Yan, excited na silang umuwi.
Oh, Derek. Oh, yeah.